That's super obnoxious. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, June 9th, and I really wanted to sleep in today. I didn't set my alarm on my phone. I was like, I'm gonna sleep in good luck, but then the fire alarm went off. So that's the universe telling me, get up, girl, you got shit to do. So I'm gonna do that, but first I want to give you a little update on my life, because a few new things. So I finally got rid of my crazy birthday weekend weight. I usually do the one cheat meal a week, and that has worked very well, but I went crazy for my birthday. I just ate whatever I wanted Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of that long weekend, and even though I only gained a couple of pounds, it took forever. It took 2 weeks to get those few pounds off, and those 2 weeks I was not feeling myself at all. And I think that even though it was 2 pounds, it just felt like way more in my body, and it made me feel really down and depressed and gloomy and stuff like that. So I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know kind of what's been going on, but I finally got rid of it because it just, as much as I just wanted to give up, because when you're feeling down and when things aren't going your way, you just really want to give up. But I kept going, I kept pushing, I kept fighting, because when I'm gloomy, I want to binge and eat even more, even though that's not going to solve it. That's just psychologically what you want to do. So I got through it, and I'm so happy, and I got rid of those couple of pounds. And then the second update is we booked our honeymoon, and I'm so excited. We are going on a 7-day Carnival cruise, and it is so exciting. That's my favorite kind of vacation. I just love it, and I'm really excited that we got to book, because I wasn't sure with finances, but it worked out, and I'm so happy and excited. So now I don't just have my wedding to look forward to in 3 months, I have the cruise, which I'm so excited. And we're leaving right straight from our reception. So let's say we leave the hall by 1:32 in the morning. We're just going straight to the airport and getting on a flight that's at 6 a.m. I love that we don't have to come home and just feel wah wah after the wedding. I like how it's just straight from the high of the wedding, you just get to go on your vacation. So I've been rambling for way too long, and a lot of you have probably already clicked this off and was no thank you, but for those of you who stuck around, spanks, and I'm gonna start my day. So Oliver is all clean, fresh. Look, his tail looks like an arrow. Looks like a rattlesnake. Oh my god, it's such an arrow. That's hilarious. Lie down. Lie down. Stay. 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 Okay, go get it. comes home from work and we have a bunch of errands and my packages from Amazon. Can we grab the packages?
Yeah. How's it going? Got a couple of packages.
Ooh. Yay, so excited.
I'm starving.
It's my favorite
I can't
restaurant.
eat my arm.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
So I got myself some tofu fresh rolls for dinner. They're an appetizer, like one of these is an appetizer, but I ordered 2 of them and made it my main course. And the sauce is to die for. They're so yummy. So we just finished dinner and it was delicious. And now we're gonna run inside and grab Oliver and go for a walk because it's still so bright outside. It's like past 9 p.m. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. What a sexy delivery man. If you break my thing, it says fragile or fragile.
Fragile.
Fragile. I'm so excited. I thought it was just my packages from Amazon, but it's from Quest. Oh my god, Oliver's gonna have a field day with these things.
He's eating it already.
Oh my god.
Death by styrofoam.
So excited. Look at this. I have not tasted this one. Okay, what is this? We have
A Quest goodie bag.
like a gym bag, just stuff to like throw your stuff in.
Nice.
Like a little backpack. We have, oh my Lanta, a GoPro Hero. These are so amazing. I haven't tried the mint chocolate chunk.
Oh, it looks
and I don't think I tried the
I remember this
white
one right
raspberry.
here.
Yeah, we've eaten these ones, which we both love.
Amazing, I love them.
What is it? Oh, an
video card.
SD card for
Yeah.
the GoPro.
Awesome. Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you so much, Quest. This is friggin' amazing. I'm so excited. You want to try one? Do you want to split one now?
Sure.
Which one? Let's do this one since we
Let's
haven't
do that.
eaten. This will be our dessert. Do you want your own or do you want to split it?
No, let's split it.
Mmm. You know what I like about this one? The chocolate cuts into the sweetness. So good. Taste it. So good, right?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Zing! There's the mint.
Oliver, you don't get any. You can eat the styrofoam. You'll die if you eat chocolate. So we got our packages from Amazon. This is my sister's birthday gift, which I can't show you because she's gonna watch the vlog and then know her gift. And then I got myself a rice cooker. I want to get a rice cooker so that I can just throw in a cup of rice or something and then go shower. I don't have to stand by the stove. And the top thing has a steamer. That's what I really liked, is that if I'm gonna make rice here in this compartment, at the top, I can put in my veggies and just steam them while the rice is being cooked. I think that's really cool. Oh my god. This is too freaking cute.
It's like a little king.
Why is he doing like such a baller? Like, why has he got one arm out the window like, you see me rolling, we hate it. Perfect night for a walk. It's like warm and breezy. The perfect mixture. Come on, Oliver. How many times do you have to pee? It's like, how do you even have all that in you? So we just got back from our walk. It's almost like 11 p.m. So I'm probably just gonna edit this vlog, relax a little, and head to bed. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. I always enjoy chatting with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.